Good day everyone. This C++ program is a simple calculator that perform basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Yung user po nito is maaaring pumili ng operation kung addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division ang kanyang gagamitin. And enter two numbers, the result is calculated and display. The user can choose to repeat the process or exit. How the code works. The program uses a while loop to continuously perform operation until the user chooses to exit. The user selects an operation symbol. The operation function handled displaying the selected operations, taking two numbers as input, perform the appropriate calculation using specific functions, and displaying the result.
Ipapakita ko naman po kung paano nagpa-function o nagwo-work yung ating ginawang C++ program. Ating operations. Yan po siya. Okay, umpisa na po natin. build and run po natin. Yan po. Sabi po dito sa program, please select operation, multiplication, division, subtraction, or addition. Pipili daw po tayo ng operation na gagamitin natin. Pili po tayo. Piliin po natin is si multiplication. Enter po natin. You select multiplication. Please input first number. Input daw po tayo ng first number natin. Nag-input na po tayo ng first number. Ang in-input po natin sa first number is 9. Please input second number. Input naman tayo po ng second number natin. 9 din po ulit. And then yan. Ito na po yung result ng ating first number and second number. The product of 9 and 9 is 81. Ito na po yung result ng ating ginawang operation, which is multiplication. The product of 9 and 9 is 81. At nagtanong po ulit yung program natin, do you want to perform another operation? Press Y na big letter or small letter na Y. If yes, any other key to exit. Press daw po natin yung Y na malaki or yung Y na maliit kung gusto pa po natin mag-perform ng another operation. Okay. Gusto pa po kasi natin mag-perform ulit ng another operation para magkaroon pa po ng example. Kaya press po natin yung Y na maliit. Yan po. Bumalik po ulit siya. Dahil gumamit po tayo ng while loop. Dahil po sa while loop, uulit po ulit siya. At magpe-perform po ulit ng another operation. Kaya magsiselect po tayo ng another operation po ulit natin. Gamitin naman po natin si division. You select division. Please input first number. Input po tayo ng first number natin, 20. Please input second number. Input naman daw po tayo ng ating second number, 2. Ito na po yung result ng ating operation. The quotient of 20 and 2 is 10. Yan na po yung result ng ating first number and second number na ginawa. And then nagtanong po ulit siya, do you want to perform another operation? Press Y na big letter or small letter na Y. If yes, any other key to exit. Ngayon po naman is pipili naman po natin yung exit kasi tapos na po natin i-perform yung mga operations. Pili naman po natin si exit. Press po tayo ng other key. Si L naman po, other key. Hindi po siya pwedeng Y ulit na malaki at Y na maliit. Kasi pag nag-Y na malaki or nag-Y na maliit po ulit tayo is mag-yes po ulit, magpe-perform po ulit siya. Try po natin mag-exit na. Kaya press po tayo ng ibang key. Then enter po natin. Yan po. Natapos na po yung ating pag-perform ng program. Kasi nag-press po tayo ng L. Kasi sabi po dito, any other key to exit. Kahit ano daw pong key, basta hindi Y na malaki at Y na maliit, is mag-exit na po siya. Yan po. Thank you po.